Yeah, no
Yeah,
problem, sir. I'll
yeah,
start
yeah.
from.
So the question, NTP client, you need to look for help from this location. This man page will help you. Okay, and there are some even here. There are some sample files of the playbook you can copy. See here, example. Okay, single. So you can take inputs from this file also. You can directly copy this. So I can use CP this file dot with the name he wants us the NTP client sync.yml is the file name. Enter and make some changes according to him. Okay, here I can open hyphen name play to install NTP software. Okay. Then here we will take just one in the exam. It is all I suppose. Here
Okay.
configure crony and it he didn't mention which host. Okay, if he doesn't, okay, let's say DB. Okay, DB group. Okay, so we'll apply this to DB group, dev group. Okay, dev group and vars you need to give exactly like this. Host name he will mention as this number, copy and then paste it. These are all okay. And he categorically, recommends that it should be crony as the software. So you need to mention another variable. If you don't remember, again you can take inputs from the here in the man page. If you look into the man page are different and the sample files are different. You can see here the doc you will find the sample, but man page you will find here, 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 here you'll have readme. Here there are two different places and share USR share Ansible roles. There you will find the man page. So in this man page you will find here variable stored here. This is a variable. You can copy and mention this here. So you need to apply only crony because they could be machines running in rel 7 so or rel 8 you have an option of using NTP or crony. So now the role name, a small twist, you need to add red hat prior to that. Red hat dot, this would be your name. That's all. So one second, here there is a small hyphen I need to remove. Now we'll validate with hyphen navigator, run the name of the file hyphen std out hyphen syntax. So there is no found in. All right, all right. Here the roles path. You have to mention colon here. You have to mention the path here in the CFG file, which I have not done. Here the beginning of my uh, question in the CFG file, I made little couple of entries, and finally the CFG file should look like okay. If I type at here Ansible hyphen galaxy, role list. So here it is showing me these roles. This path you have to mention in the CFG file, because when I type the same command in the project here, it will not show the all the roles. It does not show. So we have to add this in the CFG file here, apart from the one which you're about to create. Okay, so now if I type role list, it is showing me many of them. Okay, it is here. So now let me validate. All right. Missing 1 second. Red Hat dot rel underscore. How did I know? I should first find out first. So Ansible hyphen galaxy collection list. So it is here. This is underscore. So here it should be underscore. Now if you do sanity check, sorry, here. Now it will work perfectly. Now why I'm making it things very clear in the sense, always trying to suggest this question if you don't do correctly, this one, second one, then you go to bound to have lesser weightage of not doing this question, as well as you'll not be able to do SE Linux or client NTP client. This will only work through that collection which you are installing in the second question. Am I clear, please? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to install this. It's going to work. Some of the warnings will be shown to you. Warnings. So it doesn't mean that there's something went wrong. Okay. Sometimes it will show you warnings. So if I just go, um, look, Ansible server A hyphen M shell and hyphen A cat slash etc. You're having crony.conf. Yeah, you can see here this has been added. You can validate like this in the exam whether she made some changes to the CFG file.